while we're waiting on figuring out the special tool for the end of those injectors, I'm going to start doing the valve cover seal. That way it's everything said and done up there, up top. So when I put the intake manifold on, I can just be like, bloop, bloop, bloop. Just like that. One more time. We just been go, bloop. So, yeah, because it's time to get this car out. Yep. Time for it to go home.
Go away, don't come back. Okay, maybe come back. It's
Yeah, so, alright. Well, I took 2 of the coil packs out. Other 2 are popped up, so I'm going to pull those up and taking some screws out. Alright, guys. Well, there it is. Found seal them. So, I'm just going to bolt it back up, clean it up real good, and keep moving on. And, yeah, what do you think? He's getting old. He's older than me, guys.
No.
A bald spot and gray says otherwise.
Take gray hair, McGee.
At least I have my hair.
Good kitty.
All right, guys. All right, Bobby did some redneck engineering. Use that guy, lift it up a little bit. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Alright, got one back in the fuel rail. New gaskets in. So we'll get that back in there and we'll start plugging things back in and slide it in and start hooking up hoses. Alright, guys.